Hi, my name is Danielle, I'm a hairstylist, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install crochet twists on my lovely model Ronke. This method can also be used for installing boho locks, but today we're going to be using the brand new Boho Majesty Twists. In the pack you get 6 bundles, which is more than enough hair for a full install. So now we're going to put the crochet needle through the base of the cane row, pointing downwards. And then we're going to loop the top of the crochet twist, close the latch, and pull through. Once it's through, we're going to open the top and pull the rest of the crochet twist through. And then tighten to secure. We're going to repeat the same and leave about a finger width apart for good spacing. It's going to point downwards through the base of the cane row, about a finger width from the first crochet. Take the top of the crochet twist and loop it through, close the latch, pull through the cane row, and then loop the rest of the crochet twist through the loop. Just going to repeat that all across the front of the hairline and then work our way back. So there we have it. Ronke is rocking our 30-inch Boho Majesty Twist. This is the final look. How does that feel?
Super lightweight, and it was really quick to install. I love them.
It only took 40 minutes to install, plus we have an extra bundle left over. So thank you for watching.